Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying my online classes. So, in first chapter, I have discussed about the structure of leaves and how the leaves is play important role in the preparation of food. So, in that chapter, I have discussed the different leaves have a different shape. Yes or no? So every leaves, okay, so you can see, so this is the these are the leaves, okay, these are the leaves. So what will happen, so all the leaves are looking like same, so no, why? Because it is vary from the plant to plant. Yes or no? So you can observe some plant have a very small like leaves and some plant have a very large leaves. Yes or no? So the leaves of the plant, okay, the leaves of the plant, it is vary from the shape, size and their structure. Yes or no? So this is about the structure of leaves. Already I have discussed. So today I will discuss how leaf can prepare their food, okay, and the different structure of leaves, okay. So before going to discuss, again I will remember you the structure of leaves, okay. So see, this is it. This is a structure of leaves. Yes or no? This is the structure of leaves. Okay, this is the structure of leaves. This is the stem, okay, and this is the petiole, and this is the stipulate, stipule, okay. Then a thin like, a thick like line is going in the middle of the leaves, okay. Sorry, see here, a thin like line is going inside the leaves. So this thin like line is called what? Mid rib. Yes, what? Mid ribs. Yes or no? So the thin like line is going in the leaves. So these thin like leaves are called mid ribs. Okay. So what is this? Mid rib. Yes or no? So a thick line is going inside the, okay, on the leaves. This called a mid rib. Okay, and this is called a stipule, petiole. Okay, this is called a petiole. And from the petiole some leaves, okay, from the petiole some leaves will be it is released. This is called a stipulate. Okay, so and a stipulate, and this is called a stem. Yes, from the stem, this is main stem. From main stem to leaves arises. Yes or no? And some see here, some net like, okay, in that leaves, okay, some net like. Yes or no? See, observe, some net like structure is found in the leaves. See, it is a net like, it is covered from the leaves here, okay. So this net like structure is called what? Vein. What is this called? Vein. Okay. So what is the function of a vein? Okay, so the vein will be, okay, transport or carry, okay, so it will be transport or carry from food material. Okay, what will happen, plant take their food, plant take their food, mineral, water, soil from the ground. Yes or no? So these soil and water, what will happen, the leaves, okay, the leaves of the vein, okay, so it will be transported to each and every part of the plant. Yes or no? So this is the function of a vein. Yes or no? This is the a thick line is going on the leaf. This thick line is called a mid rib. Okay, and this is the called a stipule, petiole. Okay, and this is called a stem. Yes or no? This is called a mid rib, and this is where it is over. So see, so see these are the structure of leaves. Yes or no? So can you tell me all the leaves are look like same? So no, why? Because it is differ from their shape, size, yes, structure. So according to the plant, okay, so different plant have a different type of leaves. Yes or no? Some it will may be circular, some may be it is a flat, or some may be it is a very big. Yes or no? So see, this is the what? This is the structure of a water lily. Okay. So what will happen? See, the leaf blade is how it is look like a circular. Yes or no? So it is the circular. It this leaf, okay, water lily have a largest what blade. Yes or no? So it have a blade. So it is the structure of leaves. Okay. So how the leaves? Yes or no? So how the leaves are called help in the process of see. This is the it is a so this is a leaves. Okay. So in that leaves, when we remove this all the leaves, okay, so you will easily find out the a vein. Yes or no? So you will find out the vein. So the vein are it is look like what? It is look like a bone of our body. Yes or no? You can take a leaves, okay, straw. You take that leaves, okay, and then observe carefully. You will be find out the vein is look like our bone of our body. La bone what in our body bone will spread in everywhere. Yes or no? Why? Because it will protect our internal organ. Yes or no? So like this leaves have a vein, it is spread from all the part of the leaves. Yes. So this is the about the leaves and what are the function of leaves. Yes. So what will happen? The mid-rib. So it is support the leaves, and the vein transport the food material, water, soil from each and every part of the leaves. Yes or no? So according to the leaves are of two types. Okay. So the leaves are two types. Right here. Okay. So leaves are two types. One is the simple leaves. Yes or no? Simple leaf. Then another one is the compound leaf. Yes or no? So one is the simple leaf, another one is the compound leaf. Okay. So first we will discuss the simple leaves. Okay. So this is the structure of a simple leaves. Yes. Okay. So this is the structure of a simple leaf. Why it is called a simple leaves? Okay. Write down the leaf. Okay. Which have a single leaf blade are called simple leaves. Okay. So the leaf which have a single leaf blade. Okay. So you can observe from this leaves. Okay. And it is have a single leaf blade. Yes or no? It is only one leaf blade. Yes or no? So this is called a simple leaves. Yes or no? So and come to compound leaves. Okay. The leaf. Okay. The leaf which have a more leaf blade. Okay. Are called compound leaf. Yes or no? So compound leaf. So now I will showing you the compound leaf. Okay. So this is what which type of leaves? So this is a neem leaves. Okay. So see the leaves. Okay. So you can take one leaf neem tree leaves. So see you the observe the leaf blade. Okay. So it have so many leaf blade. So this is a compound leaf. Okay. And it have one central what midrib, and from the central midrib the so many leaves will be arises. So yes or no? So this is called a central. This rib is called a central rib. Okay. From the central rib what will happen? So many leaves will be arises. So these leaves are called a compound leaf. Compound leaf means in a central leaf, okay, central leaf, okay, central leaf have so many leaves, okay. From here you can see, observe, from the this is a central leaf, okay, but it have a one leaves, yes or no, one leaf, okay. So it is a simple leaves, this is a compound leaf, yes or no. So the leaves which have a single leaf blade, it is called a simple leaf, okay. And the leaves which have a more leaf blade, okay. So in that leaves, okay, the leaf blade is more, so it is called a compound leaves, yes or no. So this is the about the idea about the simple and compound leaves. Yes, you have understand, okay, or you have a, suppose you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, okay. So this is the about compound and the simple leaves, okay. So see, this is the structure of a water lily, okay, water lily leaves. So in that leaves, the water, the leaf blade, okay, the leaf blade have more than, okay, the more than leaf blade. So this is a compound leaves, yes or no. So this is the about the simple and compound leaves, okay. So how, so the picture of simple leaves, how it is, did see. Okay, so this is the structure of simple leaves, okay, simple leaves. And this is the compound of sorry, this is the structure of okay. So this is the structure of compound leaves, yes. So what will happen? So a main leaf, okay, from main leaf, so many leaves you can find out, yes. So this is the compound leaves, okay. So this is the example of the picture of simple leaves, and this is the example of compound leaves, okay. Suppose you can go to through the plant and observe, you will be find out the some simple leaves and some compound leaves, okay. Simple leaves means the main stem to one leaves will be arranges, and this the leaves have only a single leaf blade. But compound leaf, what will happen? From the main stem, okay, okay, from the main stem, one central midrib will be arises from the main central rib, okay. So many leaves you will be find out, okay. So many leaves here, the neem, okay, neem leaves. So it is so many leaves will be arises, and the leaf have so many number of what leaf blade, okay. So see how it is look like. So it have so many leaf blade, so it is called a compound leaf, yes. You have clear about the simple and compound leaves. So then come to yes. So then now come to how the leaves, okay, how the leaves prepare their food, and what have the quality in the leaves. Why plant leaves can prepare their food, we human being we cannot prepare their our food, okay. So discuss about another idea, come to here. So yes, from these leaves, okay, from these leaves, okay, okay. So you will be find some opening, yes. So this opening is called a stomata, okay. What you will be the stomata, what will happen, what will happen, what is the function of a stomata? So it will be take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, yes or no. So like human being, we also are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. So we are breathing, yes or no, means we are breathing means we are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Like leaves also, it take okay, it take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So it will also open their hole and close all their hole. So this hole is called stomata, okay. So this hole is called stomata. So what will happen? This stomata, it will open and it will close. While it is closed, because when there is very high temperature, it will be closed. Why it is closed? Because in a high temperature, because water loss is maximum, means evaporation very fast. What is evaporation? Evaporation means water will be releases. Yes, okay. When you boil your water, it will be releases na, come to the go down. Yes, like the when the very high temperature, what will happen? The water will be very lost in the plant. That's why what will happen? The leaves of the stomata, it will be closed. Yes, so the stomata help in opening and closing of the leaves. Okay, and the stomata also, it is the stomata, through the stomata leaves can take their oxygen, all the things. Yes or no? So this is the about the a small opening. Okay, hole. So this hole is called a stomata. Okay, so you can take one leaves, okay, and observe here. Okay, so you can observe some hole you can find in that leaves. Okay, so this opening is are called stomata. This stomata will take oxygen. Okay, so it take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Yes, so this is the about the structure of leaves. Yes or no? Then come to the how leaves can prepare their food. Okay, so leaves can prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? Write down. Yes, so photo means light. Photo means light. Okay, so anyone ask what is photosynthesis? Photo means light and the synthesis means prepare. Yes, synthesis means prepare. Okay, so light, through the light the plant can prepare their food. Okay, so it is the process. Okay, it is the process of making food. Okay, the process of making. So photo means light, synthesis means prepare. Okay, so photo means light and synthesis means prepare. Okay, so in the presence of light, plant can prepare their food. Okay, so why plant can prepare their food? Because plant plant of the leaves. Okay, the plant of the leaves have a green pigment. Okay, so in that all the leaves, okay, green pigment is there. Okay, so this green pigment, it is called chlorophyll. Okay, so this chlorophyll help in the preparation of food. Because we human being, we don't have chlorophyll. That's why we cannot prepare our food. We are depend upon the plant. Okay, animals also like same, they don't have chlorophyll. That's why they depend upon the food. Yes or no? So because that's why plant is called autotrophs. Okay, auto means they self, they prepare their food. We are depend upon the plant for our food. Yes, so write down what is photosynthesis. Okay, so the process of making food by a plant. Okay, in the presence of sunlight. Yes, sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, are called photosynthesis. Yes, okay, so photo means light and the synthesis means prepare. Okay, so through the process of light, plant can prepare their food. Okay, so what will happen? So in that leaves, green like pigment is there. That's why plant prepare them. How plant can prepare? The process of making food by plant in the presence of what? First sunlight, then chlorophyll. Chlorophyll what is? It is found in the leaves. It is a green like pigment. Okay, then carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a gas. Okay, so you are using a cooking. Okay, in that cooking smoke will be releases na. So this smoke is called carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide and water. Water, where you found water from the ground? Yes, and are called. Okay, so all these things plant take and prepare their food. Okay, so this is the all the things taking in the presence of all the things, the plant or the plant of the leaves can prepare their food. Okay, so then what is how, okay, or the what way the plant can prepare their food. Okay, so come to next discuss. So process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is about the definition and how plant prepare their food. So process of photosynthesis. What? Process of photosynthesis. Okay, process of photosynthesis. Okay, so first draw a tree. Yes or no? Suppose a leaves. Okay, I have so many leaves. Okay, this is from water. Yes, soil. Okay, mineral. All the things are there in the ground. Yes or no? So what will happen? This is a sun. Okay, sun. There what will happen? Plant take sunlight. Okay, so first sunlight, then carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide also present. Okay, so first plant is there. Plant takes sunlight, then carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, and then again soil, water, soil plus mineral. All the things they take. Okay, so it is prepare what prepare? It prepare a food called starch. Okay, plus it releases oxygen. Okay, what it releases oxygen. So it releases oxygen. Starch, it is a what? It is a food. We are eating rice, chapati, rice, wheat. So these are called starch. Okay, potato. These are food. Okay, so it releases food plus oxygen. Oxygen, it is symbol O2. Okay, so these oxygen again we take in the process of what? Breathing. Yes or no? We are in the process of breathing. We are taking the oxygen, means we are taking air. Yes or no? So in this process, in that way, like plant prepare their food. So first what will say? Sunlight from the, it trap the absorb sunlight, take oxygen, carbon dioxide. So and then from the soil, mineral, water. Okay, then all the things mix and chlorophyll already present in the leaves. Chlorophyll. Yes. So what will happen? It produces starch plus oxygen. So this starch is called food and the oxygen is called oxygen is take again human being for their breathing process. So this is the about the process. In that process plant can prepare their food because they have leaves have a green like pigment on that leaves. Yes. So in that way plant can there prepare food, but we cannot prepare our food. Yes or no? So this is the about the photosynthesis. Then come to the equation of photosynthesis. Okay. Equation of photosynthesis. Okay, so how? So it is first carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Carbon dioxide. So it is symbology CO2 plus what? Water. Water symbol, it is H2O. Yes. Then in the presence of sunlight, then chlorophyll. Okay, so it releases what? It is starch plus O2 means oxygen. Yes, so So it releases oxygen. This symbol is the O2. Yes or no? So this is the first what will happen in the presence of first take carbon dioxide, then water, okay, in the presence of sunlight, okay, and chlorophyll, it produces starch. This starch is called O2. Okay, so it may be stored in the stem, it may be stored in the leaves. Okay, so already it is over. So next period I will discuss about more on the leaves, how the leaves can prepare their food, all the things. So if you have any doubt, you can comment on the box. Okay, and also you can subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.